Good morning children and welcome back to our online class. So today we are going to start exercise 5.3, the main multiplication. Right? The main multiplication means what type of questions may come while doing multiplication. Right? Okay. So class 1 maths 31 08 20 20, right? Chapter number 5, multiplication. Right? Okay. Today we are going to start our exercise 5.3. Question number 1 says that find the product. Find the product. Alright. So, first question is 3, 1 into 2. This is your question. So, while we talk about the multiplication, usually we find this type of question like this. Right children? So, when we see this sign, see multiplication, what is the sign of multiplication? A cross. When we see cross, that means it is multiplication. Right children? See here, 31 cross 2, that means 31 multiplied by 2. Right? Now, when you do this type of multiplication, what you have to do? See this down? Yes? A number is there 2. With this number, first you have to multiply with this first number. Okay? 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Done. Now when you finish this multiplying the first number with this, again with this number multiply second number. 3 2s are 6. So this is your answer. Only this much. Nothing more to do, nothing needed, anything extra. No need. Just you remember that when you are given the question, find the product of multiply the following. What you have to do? The first number you multiply with the first number. First number. Okay. Here it was 2 into 1. 2 ones are, we know it is 2. Right. Then now with this number you multiply the another number, second number. So 2 3s are 6. Done. Easy. Let us do next question, another few questions so that it will be more clear to you. 4 2 multiply by 2. 4 2 multiply by 2. Now see here, first number 2 2s are 4. Right? Now, first number over, now we will do with second number. So 4 2s are 8. Those who know the table, do directly. Those who don't know the table, say the table and then you solve the questions. Right children? Like here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. See, we wrote there 4. Correct? Now, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 2 4s are 8. Right? We know the table, so we are doing directly. Those who don't know, count the tables, say the table and then you write the answers. Right? Okay. Next question. 5 0 into 1. 5 0 into 1. We know that 1 1s are 1. Yes or no children? 1 1s are 1. But 1 zeros are how much? Can anyone say? 1 zeros are? Anyone? Okay. 1 1s is 1. But 1 zeros are 0. Any number, remember this thing, what I'm saying you right now is, any number when you multiply with 0, the answer will always be 0. Okay children? When you multiply any number with 0, what will be your answer? Always 0. Right? Then, first number over, now second number 5. So 1 into 5. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5. So directly you can write here 1 5s are 5. Right? Next, 33 into 2. 33 into 2. Now see there. First number 2 and 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So 2 threes are 6. Again same. Second number is also 3. So same again, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So we have to write here 6. Right? Okay. Next you see 32 into 2. 32 into 2. Right? 32 into 2. Okay. Now see here. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 twos are 4. Right? Next. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. Over. Right? In the same way we have to do many more questions. Let us do it. Next question, 1 1 into 5. 1 1 into 5. Now first number 5 and 1. 5 ones are 5. Again another one, 5 ones are 5. Right? Next question, 9 9 into 1. 9 9 into 1. 1 9 are 9. 1 9 are 9. Okay? Because we know that 1 1 are 1, 1 2 are 2, 1 3 are 3, 1 4 are 4, 1 5 are 5, 1 6 are 6, 1 7 are 7, 1 8 are 8, 1 9 are 9. So 1 9 are 9. Again 1 9 are 9. So over. Next, 1 2 into 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. Now it is easy, children. You can do by your own. Yes. Let us solve few more questions. 84 into 2. Alright. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So 2 fours are 8. Then 2 into 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So 2 eights are 16. 1, 6, 16. Right? Okay. Next question. 1 0 into 5. 1 0 into 5. Now, see children, everyone, pay attention here. This is a different type of question. Same like this. Right? Now see. 5 into 0. When we did 1 into 0, what we wrote there? 0. In the same way, 5 ones are is 5. 5 ones are 5. But 5 zeros are how much? 5 zeros are 0. Why? Because that time only I have told you that whatever number or any number when you multiply with 0, answer will always be 0 only. Always be 0. So 5 zeros are 0. Then 5 ones are 5. Simple. Okay? Okay. So next question, 4 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4. 41. Done? Okay. Let us do next question. If you pay attention and if you know the table, it is very, very easy. There is nothing difficult in this type of question. Next question, 1 8 into 2. 1 8 into 2. Okay. 2 8s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. So now you see here 2 8s are 16, no? So we have to write here 1 6 16. No. No. What you have to do? You write inside 1 6 16. Alright. Then you write the first number. What is this? 6. That you write here. Okay. Then cut this. Then what is left? 1. Okay. That one you have to put here as carry. Alright children. That one what you have to do? That one you have to put here as carry. 2 8s are 16. 1 6 16 I wrote here. First number I will write here first. Then I will cross that. What is left? 1. Okay. Now see here. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Like this. First of all, what you have to do? You have to multiply 2 into 8. 2 8s are how much? 16. You write here 1 6 16. Okay. Then first number you write here. First number, what is there? 6. Write here 6. Cut that 6. What is left there? 1. That will be your carry. Do you remember addition? Carry? Yes? That will be carried over here. Then multiply again second number. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Then add 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1. 3. 3, 6, 36. Now see the next question will be more clear to you. 1 2 into 5. See here. 5 2s are 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. So write here inside 1 0 10. What is the first number? 0. You write here 0 and make it cross. Cut it. Cut this 0 here. Then what is left? 1. Right? Now multiply this question. 5 into 1. 5 1s are 5 and plus 1 6. Understood children? Understood children? See here very carefully. 5 2s are how much you got? 10. 1 0 10. Now in the previous questions when we did, we got only one number. No. Now see here we are getting two numbers. When we are doing one number, no need to carry nothing, just you write here. Enough. But when you get two numbers like this, first number you will write here, then that you cross, okay, cut it. Then whatever will be left that you carry, that you have to carry. Then 5 into 1. 5 1s are 5 and 1 was there, so 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. Right? Next question. 45 into 2. 4, 5 into 2 dash dash. Now see here. 2 into 5. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. So write here 1 0 10. Then what I will do? 0 I will write here and cross it. Yes or no? Then what is left? 1. Then 2 into 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 8 and 1 was here. 8 plus 1, 9. Understood now? It is clear now? Okay. See next question. 37 into 2. 37 into 2. 2 into 7. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. So write here 1 4 14. Then first number what is there? 4. Cut and write. What is left? 1. Then 2 into 3. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 and 1 is here. 6 plus 1, 7. Right? Right children? So next question you see here. 1 3 into 5. 1 3 into 5. Now see here. 3 and 5. Yes or no? 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. So what you have to write here? 1 5 15. Then 5. First number is 5. So write here 5 and cut it. What is left? 1. Then 5 into 1. 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6. 65. Right? In the same way, next question. 3 8 into 2. 3 8 into 2. Now 2 into 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. So you write here 1 6 16. Then 6 is there in the first, so 6 you write and cut it. What is left? 1. Then again 2 into 3. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Right? Clear to you everyone? Okay. Next question. Two 6 into 2. 2 6 into 2. Right? 2 6 into 2. Now see, 2 into 6. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. So you write here 1 2 12. Then 2 you cut and write it here. What is left? 1. Then again 2 into 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 5. right? Next, 1 4 into 5. 1 4 into 5. 5 into 4. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 2 0 20. 0 you write and cut it. What is left there? 2. 5 into 1. 5 1 is 5. 6 7. Got it? Okay. Next is 3 5 into 2. 2 into 5. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. So 2 5 is how much? 10. 1 0 10. 0 you cut and write here. What is left? 1. Next is 2 into 3. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. Plus 1 7. So 7 0 70. Right? So the next question, 1 9 into 5. 1 9 into 5. 5 into 9. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. 5 7 is 35. 5 8 is 40. 5 9 is 45. So what you have to do? You have to write here 4 5 45. Then 5 you have to write here. Cut this 5. What is left? 4. Right? Next, 5 into 1. 5 1 is 5. 6 7 8 9. How much you got there? 9. So 9 5 95. Done? Okay. 1 6 into 5. 1 6 into 5. Now see here. 5 into 6. 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. 5 3 is 15. 5 4 is 20. 5 5 is 25. 5 6 is 30. So 5 6 how much you got here? 30. 0 you cut and write it here. What is left? 3. Right? Then 5 into 1. 5 1 is 5. 6 7 8. So 8 0 8. Right? Last question for today. 49 into 2. 49 into 2. 2 into 9. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 2 5 is 10. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 2 8 is 16. 2 9 is 18. So 2 9 is how much you get? 18, no? So 8. First write and cut it. What is left? 1. Then again 2 into 4. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. Understood, children? Now it is easy for you. Yes? Okay. Go through the video. Wherever you have doubt, you ask me. I will explain it once again. Right, children? And I want you all to complete this exercise in your copy. Only question number 1. All. Find the product. Exercise 5.3. Question number 1. Find the product. You have to do all 624 questions in your book. Okay. Those who can, do in book and copy both. Right? Thank you.